Now we're going to place an object. According to the book, they want us to place it linked. So file, place, linked. Now we've talked about in class, if you break these links, you transport the file, what's going to happen is the image that is linked will be broken. So if you're going to be moving these files around or sending it to somebody like on the internet, I recommend that you place embed and not linked, because these links will be broken when you send a file without the original files in the sequence that they were placed in. But okay, we're going to go and place this link. Before I do that, make sure frame 1 is selected. So frame 1 is selected in our layer window. So get ready, file, place, linked. Then we're going to the art folder in lesson 13. So lesson 13, art, and we're going to northshore.jpg. And there it is. It just places it right there, the right size. It's like magic. Go ahead and save your file.